Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another what's in my hospital bag video, but this is going to be what's in my baby's hospital bag. In case you guys missed it, I did do my own hospital bag video and I will link it down below for you guys. I wanted to spread them out in two videos because that video is pretty long, and if I included baby's hospital bag in there, it would have been way too long. So that is why I'm doing this video. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. So in case you guys are new, hi, my name is Anna. I am currently 36 weeks pregnant with my first baby, and her name is Mia, and my husband and I are so excited to meet her. So I wanted to share with you guys what I'm packing baby girl. If it's a little bit excessive, you guys know why, because I am my first time mom. So let's go ahead and get into it. So her hospital bag is going to be her diaper bag, and this is the diaper bag that I chose. I absolutely love it because it looks like a regular backpack. It just doesn't look like, you know, your diaper backpacks that you can tell that they're diaper backpacks. You can use this for work. You can fit your laptop in this. It's amazing. It's such a great affordable price as well, because I wanted another one that was way more expensive. The one that I wanted was $175 and this one was only $99. Still pretty hefty, but I did get it on sale, 30% off. So that is great. So I definitely recommend you guys like looking when this bad boy is on sale, because it goes on sale. And it, just like my previous hospital bag video, I will link everything down below, so it's super easy for you mamas to shop everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with her clothing pieces. So the first thing that I am bringing are two white onesies. I know my hospital will have some onesies, but I wanted to bring some extra just in case we have blowouts or anything like that, and I'm bringing them in the 0 to 3 months. Just in case, you know, she's a little bit bigger or she's a little bit smaller, she can definitely fit in these. And this one is, they're just by the Gerber brand, one short sleeve and one long sleeve. We do live here in San Francisco and June isn't really too hot, but sometimes it does get pretty mild. So that's why I wanted to bring two different types of onesies. With those onesies, I wanted to accessorize her. So I am bringing a couple of little bows, and these are just so precious. They're super stretchy and super soft. So I have a pink one, I have a little light linen one, and then this one looks like this one, but it's a little bit more like of a speckled material, and I think they would look darling with these and just dress it up a little bit. I'm also bringing her a little hospital hat because I saw the hospital hat that they are going to give me and I just don't like it. It totally does not match the swaddle that they're going to have. So I was like, I'm just going to go ahead and buy my own for her. And this one is so precious. I got it off from Amazon and it's so cute. It's just white and it has a little pink ribbon right here. They have a bunch of different other colors, so if you want another color, you can definitely get that. I got it in the newborn size. They also have them in like various sizes, but I just like the white one because again, it could go with her onesie and it goes perfectly with the little hospital swaddle that they give me, because that one has like a lot of color and white will just be neutral, and I do want to get a picture of her at least in that as her first little picture. Moving on to going home outfits, I have two just in case, and the first one is super special because my mom actually got her this outfit like way before she was even like a thought in my head. Like my mom was one of those moms that would just buy baby clothes on sale if she saw them and she thought they were darling. So she has like a whole like stash of baby clothes, and she had a stash of like boy clothes and girl clothes, and she gave me her whole stash of girl clothes once she found out that Mia was Mia. So she's had this outfit forever and it's just really darling. So it is this little like cardigan, so I'm gonna put a onesie under her with this, but it is so cute. It's just white and pink. It comes with little pants that have little ruffle detailing on the legs, and it comes with a little matching little hat. Also brought her another little outfit, and this is actually the first outfit that I bought her once I found out she was going to be a baby girl, and it is so cute. It's just pink and it has a little bunny and it has a little footies that look like little ballerina slippers, and it also comes with a cute little pink hat. Other clothing pieces that I'm bringing are some socksies, and these are just light pink. I'm just bringing one, and then I'm bringing one pair of little mittens. I'm bringing her just one little bib just in case. I don't know if we'll use it, and I couldn't help myself and brought her the little Yama one because you guys know her nursery is hints of llama and alpaca, so I'm like, I need to bring that. I'm also bringing her a burp cloth, just one, and I love this one because it's personalized with her little letter. And I love that it's bunnies. I guess I have a thing for bunnies and llamas. I didn't even notice. I am bringing 2 swaddles. The first one that I am bringing is just this one that is cherry print, since she is going to be born in June and that's kind of like summertime. I thought it'd be cute to have her in this little cherry swaddle. Another swaddle that I'm going to be bringing her is the one that I think I'm going to be actually taking our photos in the hospital with me, her, and my husband. And it's just light pink, super simple, super soft, and it came with this little headband. Let's see if you guys can probably see a little bit better. It's just very comfy. I'm bringing just one blanket, and the blanket that I'm bringing is this one. I had to bring this one because it has her name on it and it's so cute. It's so soft, and then it has little like rosette kind of pattern. I don't know if you guys will be able to pick that up on the other side, and I think it is just darling. Next thing that I'm bringing is my car seat cover, because you guys have to let me know that people get a little weird with babies. There's like no personal space. If they see a baby in a car seat, they just want to touch your baby, and I don't really want strangers touching my baby, so I knew I had to bring my car seat cover. And I love this one because it's super simple. It comes with a little sack. I got it from Amazon, and it's one of those like 5-in-1, so it can be a car seat cover, a nursing cover, it can be a scarf, it can be something that you put on the grocery cart for when they sit down so they don't actually have to sit on the grocery cart seat. And it's super affordable. I think I mentioned this in my hospital bag like haul, that this only is $8, and the one that I wanted from Milk Snob that looks exactly like this is $30. So if I can get one that's $8 and has great reviews, I'm gonna get it. So I'll definitely link it down below for you guys. They also have a different, like, I think they have like another like stripe print, and I think they have more prints as well, but I love this one. Next things that I'm bringing are like changing items, and I'm going to bring her a little packet of water wipes. Not this wipe, I can't find my like travel one right now, but I will have my like little travel water wipes to put in her bag. And then I'm also bringing some newborn diapers, because I did notice in my hospital when I went to my hospital tour that they're only going to give us the size 1 diaper, so I wanted to bring some just in case she is a bit more on the smaller side and needs newborn diapers. And the last thing that I'm bringing her is her baby book. And how cute is this baby book? I love how mini it is. I love how simple it is. If you guys can't tell by the tag right here, it is from the Target Dollar Spot. They also have a boy version, and I just want to take this because when they do her like fingerprints or her footprints, I can have them put it in here and I'll have to worry about it later. I'm trying to find the page that it comes here, your footprints and then your handprints. So I just think that that's going to be convenient, and I can fill out some stuff here as well. And then I am planning to bring my Polaroid camera that is already packed in my hospital bag, so I can take her first picture and put it right here. So that is everything that is in my baby's hospital bag. I hope you guys enjoyed. If I am forgetting anything, please let me know down in the comment section what I should bring in addition to what I am bringing. And like I said in the video, everything will be linked down below for you guys, so it's super easy for you guys to shop. And I guess that's it. Hopefully this video wasn't too long like my other video. I tend to overpack a lot. But hey, I'm a first-time mom and I like to overpack. So if you guys are currently pregnant, I am wishing you the best of luck in your labor and delivery, all the positive vibes. Just keep thinking that we are so close to meeting our sweet babies. That is what I keep telling myself. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys aren't a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. That way you won't miss out on any new videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because Instagram is where I'm going to be posting all of like the first photos once I'm in labor, because it's so fun, even though it might not be fun for me in the moment. But I love posting on Instagram, and I love following people when they post on Instagram that they are in labor. I mean, I know a lot of pregnant like bloggers and YouTubers. Like, I feel like 2019 is the year of babies, so I was having so much fun following along. So that's what I'm hoping to do as well. So go ahead and check that out. And I guess that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.